Hola, Traveling Karina here. I am back with another room tour. This time I'm going to show you a suite at the Grand Muthu Cayo Guillermo Resort in Cuba. The suite I'm about to show you is in Building 7, which is closest to the beach and has a magnificent view. So let's take a look. All right, so we are here at room 7314. And we're going to take you for a tour of a suite in this building. All suites come with the option of an adjoining standard room. So that's helpful if you have lots of people joining you. And then I'm going to turn around and we're going to go into the actual suite area. You get a little table that you can put your belongings onto. And then you see a small little bathroom, hello, with a toilet and a sink. And then we're gonna go into the main room. There is a mini fridge in there. You get a table that you can eat on. You get a TV and a sitting area with couch and chair. And then you have your first balcony doors there, and I'll show you the balcony soon. It's absolutely beautiful out there. And now we're going into the bedroom area. So all suites come with a king-size bed. You have a seating area, table, and a TV. And then you also get a second bathroom with two sinks on the outside, sliding door that separates the washroom if you want. And then there is a shower, a walk-in shower, soaker tub, with a window, which I'm going to show you the view that you can see from there shortly. It's absolutely beautiful. And then you have a private toilet area as well. And then I'm going to take you in here. Just before you reach the bathroom, there is a walk-in closet area with a safe, another mirror, lots of option to put your clothes away. And now we're going to show you the balcony. It is a double-sized balcony. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to show you. All right. So as promised, here is the absolutely beautiful view that you will get from this room. There's the beach. Really nicely groomed. There's lots of huts and chairs available. Absolutely gorgeous. And then over there you start to see the resort. And then I'll show you what you get included on. This is a double-sized balcony, as said. You get a lounge chair, 2 chairs, and a table. Beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. If this is the sort of thing that you enjoy watching, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got lots more content coming your way shortly. Thank you.